Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to stop by really quick and show you one of the new creations. You guys already know I am just really digging the masks with all the little charms dangling from it. This is like the coolest thing ever. I think this is maybe the coolest thing I've ever made. And I am like stuck on doing a lot of these. So I've already got a couple of them made and put on the fair.com website. And I got some new beads that I'm working with. And then the idea going forward is to find the most unique beads that I can find. And I think what I'm going to do is get the round beads. I'm going to work more with big beads, the big circle beads. I like the way they look. And then think about something different that I can do to those beads, even if it means like painting them myself and then adding rhinestones or, like some type of decoration to them to make them just like really unique and different beads. This is really nice. And I think I mentioned the other day that I'm going to start doing 2 and 3 strand necklaces. And then I got a little marketing scheme plan that I'm going to implement at the end of February or the beginning of March. So this is really nice. And then I'm waiting on a couple of big events to open up. Well, to at least announce that they will be having their event this year. And remember, I like music festivals. I like street fairs, any event where there's 25,000 or more foot traffic expected. So I'm really looking forward to that, just kind of getting out, selling some stuff out there with the peoples, and then really building up my email list with new contacts. This is really nice. I love the way it came out. And I'm thinking, is there anything that I'm not pleased with? This right here, I think I could have did better as far as what that focal piece would have been. But it all matches. I mean, it all goes together. Somebody had mentioned, I think it was on Instagram, she mentioned that I never have a bad day as it relates to, jewelry making. And I answered her back saying, oh no, I have bad days with jewelry making. I just don't post those pictures because sometimes the wire won't act right. It's finicky. It fights back and, it'll bend all up. And I literally have to take a whole piece apart because of a snag in the wire, or the wire just didn't act right. Or it could be something where I'm doing the wiring like this and it will totally be, it won't be secure. So I'll literally have to take it apart. And then by the time you take it apart, the wire is all bent up and stuff. So then I have to figure something out around that. So there are pieces that I don't, I don't post and don't put in the video. But I think I will just start letting it be a raw video where I'm not editing anything. And that takes a lot of time to be editing and doing all that. So I try to get everything done in one recording, so I don't have to go back and edit and do all that. But sometimes the phone might ring in the background, or you might have to cough, or just little stuff be happening. Something might drop and roll off, or somebody might knock at the door. It's usually like Amazon or UPS or somebody, but right, all those interruptions going on in the background. But anyway, I wanted to show you guys this piece. I think it came out really nice. Take a look at those beads and that big pendant. This one is going on the fair.com website as well. So we got that. Just wanted to show you guys that. Be sure to have a good day. Thank you for being subscribers, and thank you for being so supportive, and always communicating your thoughts, your comments in the Facebook group, also here on YouTube. Facebook group is Jewelry by BDK Creators Zone, and there's a lot of members in the group where they make some of the most beautiful jewelry you will ever see, like waist beads, Scott makes men necklaces, and I mean, he does a really good job. You got Miss Rita over there doing hand painted beads. You got Miss Tamala over there making the absolute divine pieces. Okay, I mean, they're really doing some really nice work over there. So if you're interested in maybe purchasing jewelry, or you know, just want to see what the creative people are doing up in there, go over there and join, and hang out with us in that little group. It's a lot of fun over there, a lot of creative people, a lot of good stuff, a lot of good stuff. Okay, and then thank you for being a subscriber here on the YouTube channel, Darlene Knight, and we'll talk soon.